Many people use the terms prawn and shrimp interchangeably, but have you ever wondered if there's a real difference between the two? Are they the same creature, or are there subtle distinctions that set them apart? The answer is more complex than a simple yes or no. It involves diving into their biology, habitat, and even their culinary uses. While they share similarities, distinct differences exist between prawns and shrimp. For instance, prawns generally have longer legs and larger claws on 3 pairs of their legs. Understanding these differences requires us to dive into the world of crustaceans. Prawns and shrimp belong to different suborders, with prawns in the Dendrobranchiata and shrimp in the Pleocyemata. Join me as we explore the fascinating distinctions between these two delectable seafood favorites. From their habitats in freshwater and saltwater to their unique anatomical features, there's much to uncover. This exploration will take us from their biological classifications to their culinary uses around the globe. Different cultures have unique ways of preparing and enjoying prawns and shrimp, adding to their allure. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound knowledge of prawns and shrimp. Whether you're at a seafood market or a fancy restaurant, you'll be able to tell the difference and appreciate the nuances of each. Both prawns and shrimp belong to the crustacean family. These fascinating creatures are often found in various aquatic environments, from freshwater rivers to the salty depths of the ocean. They play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem, serving as both predators and prey. This diverse group includes crabs, lobsters, and crayfish. Each of these species has adapted uniquely to their habitats, showcasing the incredible diversity within the crustacean family. Crabs, for instance, are often found scuttling along the seafloor, while lobsters prefer the rocky crevices of the ocean. Crustaceans are characterized by their hard exoskeletons, jointed legs, and segmented bodies. These features provide them with protection and mobility, allowing them to thrive in their respective environments. The exoskeleton in particular acts as a shield against predators and environmental hazards. Within this large family, prawns and shrimp occupy a specific branch, the decapods. This branch is distinguished by the presence of 10 legs, which are used for various functions, including locomotion and feeding. Decapods, as their name suggests, possess 10 legs, which they use for walking and swimming. These legs are not just for movement, they also play a role in capturing food and interacting with their environment. Despite these shared characteristics, prawns and shrimp diverge in their scientific classification, indicating evolutionary paths. This divergence is a result of millions of years of evolution, leading to distinct anatomical and behavioral traits. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of taxonomy to understand these differences. By studying their anatomy and genetic makeup, scientists can trace the evolutionary history of these creatures, revealing the intricate web of life that connects all crustaceans. Scientists categorize living organisms based on shared characteristics. Prawns and shrimp fall under different suborders within the decapod order. Prawns belong to the suborder Dendrobranchiata. Shrimp, on the other hand, belong to the suborder Pleocyemata. This taxonomic distinction highlights fundamental differences in their anatomy and life cycles. One key difference lies in their gill structure. Prawns possess branching gills, while shrimp have plate-like gills. This difference affects their respiratory processes and, consequently, their preferred habitats. Beyond their gills, prawns and shrimp exhibit subtle differences in their physical appearances. Prawns generally have larger second pincers compared to shrimp. Their bodies tend to be longer and more streamlined, with a pronounced bend in their body. Shrimp, on the other hand, often have a more compact body shape with a less pronounced curvature. These physical distinctions, while subtle, reflect the evolutionary adaptations of prawns and shrimp to their respective environments and lifestyles. Section 5. Freshwater versus saltwater, where they reside. Habitat preference is another key difference between prawns and shrimp. Most prawn species thrive in freshwater environments like rivers and lakes. They play a crucial role in these ecosystems, feeding on algae, insects, and decaying matter. Shrimp, conversely, are predominantly found in saltwater environments, inhabiting oceans and seas around the world. This habitat difference influences their flavor profiles, with freshwater prawns often possessing a milder taste compared to their saltwater shrimp counterparts. Section 6. Sizing up the situation: prawns versus shrimp. When it comes to size, prawns generally outgrow shrimp. Giant tiger prawns, for example, can reach over a foot in length. However, exceptions exist within both groups. Some deep-sea shrimp species remain quite small, while certain freshwater prawn species are relatively petite. Size, however, does not dictate flavor or texture. Both prawns and shrimp offer a delightful range of culinary possibilities, depending on their species and preparation methods. Section 7. Culinary delights from ocean to plate. Prawns and shrimp grace menus worldwide, adding a touch of elegance and flavor to countless dishes. Their delicate, slightly sweet flavor pairs well with various cuisines and cooking styles. Prawns, with their firmer texture, hold up well in stir-fries, curries and grilled dishes. Shrimp, with their tender texture, shine in pasta dishes, salads and as appetizers. Whether grilled, fried, steamed or sautéed, both prawns and shrimp offer a delightful culinary experience. Section 8. Nutritional nuggets fueling our bodies. Beyond their culinary versatility, prawns and shrimp provide a powerhouse of nutrients. They are excellent sources of protein, low in saturated fat and rich in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, selenium and zinc. These nutrients contribute to heart health, brain function and immune system support. Incorporating prawns and shrimp into a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. Section 9. A world of flavors, cultural perspectives. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of culinary terminology and how it varies across different cultures and regions. The terms prawn and shrimp are not universally applied. What one country calls a prawn, another might call a shrimp, and vice versa. This can often lead to confusion, especially for those who are not familiar with the local culinary language. In many parts of the world, particularly in Commonwealth countries like Australia, New Zealand and the United Kingdom, prawn is the preferred term for both. This preference is deeply rooted in their culinary history and traditions, where prawns are a staple in many classic dishes. In North America, shrimp is more commonly used. The term shrimp is prevalent in the United States and Canada, where it is a key ingredient in a variety of popular dishes, from shrimp cocktails to shrimp scampi. These regional differences reflect cultural influences on language and culinary traditions. The way we name and use these seafood delicacies is a testament to our diverse cultural heritage and the unique ways in which we prepare and enjoy food. Regardless of what they are called, prawns and shrimp continue to be cherished ingredients in cuisines worldwide. They add flavor, texture and nutritional value to our plates, making them a beloved choice for chefs and home cooks alike. From the bustling markets of Asia to the fine dining restaurants of Europe, prawns and shrimp hold a special place in the hearts and kitchens of people everywhere.